Welcome to the Garage USA. Thanks for joining me. Today I will be showcasing the Jeeps that I have in my collection. This is not what I was originally planning for today, but due to a failure or a learning experience with some paint, what I was originally going to show you this week, I will be showing you next week, and so I hope you enjoy. So I'll start off with the Jeep that I've had in my collection the longest, and this is a military Jeep by Matchbox. It's missing the machine gun in the back, it's missing the top part of the windshield, but it's still in decent condition. Again, with the trailer hitch. The only cool thing I do like about the trailer hitch on this one is I used to have a cannon that I could pull behind this. Okay, and so the next Jeep I'll show you is the one that I did the restoration on last week. And I did end up leaving the trailer hitch on this one. I felt, after examining how that kind of clips together, it's possible that it could actually break the whole rear bumper if I tried to remove that. So, and then the Jeep would not go back together because this just clicks together on the plastic base. So there's that one. And here's probably my least favorite Jeep. And this one is made by Ertl. Again, it's got the big trailer hitch on it. And this Jeep I've had in my collection for a long time too. I don't know who makes this. It's very cheap, and it's old. I don't know. I don't even know where it came from. I've had it for a long time. So there's that Jeep. Then I have a Hot Wheels. What was this one? CJ7. Not a fan of the spare tire. Never seen one in real life that color, so I have an issue with that. Oops, there we go. That's cool. It's got some tools and crap in the back. Oh, looks like a tackle box and a fishing rod. Some other stuff. I don't know. Pretty cool. Then there's this Jeep. This is the Jeep Scrambler. And I've had this one for a long time too. This was probably one of my favorites. And then I've got this Jeep, 1943 Jeep Willys by Matchbox. And I have another version of the 1943 Jeep Willys. This one's got the black interior and the black spare tire. This one has the cream or light brown, it's more of a cream interior, and the spare tire, which again, I dislike that they did that on the spare tire, and so I think I might end up cracking this one open and doing something different with this. You know, the other thing I like with these two particular Jeeps by Matchbox is, you know, they did the interiors different. They also did, like, this one has the star on the hood. It's got the number 20920 on the hood, so it's got the little star on the back. And this one does not have the star on the hood, and it's got a different number. It's like J211-47125. It's got a number 3, and then it's got, I don't know what marking that is, but it does differentiate the two, even though they are the same Jeep. They do have some differences. You know what? I'm going to crack these open. Now we can get a better look at these side by side. So yeah, the one with the tan interior has a brighter green paint job. I think the one with the black interior, the paint is more closely replicated to what you would see on military Jeeps. But there they are. This is a different video than what I plan to upload today, but, you know, due to that paint issue, and I will get into that next week when I have it corrected, and I'll let you know what kind of error I ran into. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video. Obviously, there's more to come. I hope you will join me for this series of videos. If you have any questions or would like to contact me, send me an email at thegarageusa@gmail.com. And if you enjoyed the video that you just watched, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.